Hello everyone, in this opportunity I would like to show you how to share tests to my students. Well, in my classes I try that my students make some readings, especially classical stories or actual stories. So in this opportunity I will show you the exams that I've done for them. We are going to work with this book, Lost Love and Other Stories. The students have to make a really conscious reading in order to answer this test. I tried that the test only have maximum 20 or 15 questions depending the English level for my students. So here we have the test, the title, and then the questions. For instance, in this question is, in Lost Love, the man described Mary as a beautiful girl, a strange person, or a dangerous woman. Edmodo gives the opportunity to make to put as many options as you think is important to put, and then you select the correct answer. Another kind of question that I usually use to my classes or to my quizzes are to fill some words. For instance, this one. A small group of houses in a country area in Lost Love, the man goes to a village that doesn't exist. I try to give them the description of the word, an idea from the word that it is in the book. It forced the student to look some vocabulary in the dictionary and try to memorize it. And the same questions I try to make them in the quiz. This quiz, for instance, have 14 questions. When I finish to prepare the exam, I try to look at how will be used for my students. So we just take a look of it, and that's the way how my students will see the test. When I'm going to assign or to post it, I try to choose or the group or the class, or just to send them to some students. So I select the student, I give the date, the time. I try that the exams will be no longer than 20 minutes. Oh, sorry, this is the way that the students will see the exam. For instance, this one, the student will complete the word. In this one is multiple choice. And well, that's the way that the students will see it. Good. So, as I was saying, when I assign the quiz, I try to select the students, a final date, the time, and I try that the questions will be random, that the student keep the score in his personal book, and the student will be able to see the final results, and then an assignment. And Edmodo will show me that the exam was posted in my students' wall. Thank you so much.